Hello traders, this is Alla Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci method. In this webinar, I will be teaching how the institutional Alpha Fibonacci trend system will improve your trading. But first, I would like to remind you very important disclaimer that Fibonacci Trading Institute, FIB Institute, or FTI are not investment advisors, not registered with U.S. Securities Exchange Commissions or CFTC. All the content of all Fibonacci Trading Institute products, courses, software, or communication for educational purposes only. Nothing should be construed as solicitation to buy or sell any instrument. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and all that you will see in this webinar, trading system and software demonstrated as is without any warranty. I hope you understand that trading involves substantial risks and not suitable for all investors. All testimonials from students are believed to be true, and no one had ever been paid for any of the testimonials. Students' past performance does not guarantee anyone else's performance. This is a required disclaimer. In this webinar, we will be covering about Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, multiple examples from day trading futures to long-term trading stocks, Forex, and how you can use system on options as well. We will be looking at Alpha Fibonacci trading system in current and prior markets. We will be addressing how students and graduates trade with institutional precisions and how you can trade institutional trend system with institutional precision. So briefly about myself. I hold multiple degrees, I speak multiple languages. I made first million by the time I turned 30. I came to this incredible country that I absolutely love and adore as a political refugee with newborn in my hands and $60 in my pocket. 30 years later, I'm very proud to be an American. This is a land of milk and honey. Someone who cannot make it in America will not make it anywhere else. This is the easiest country to be successful. So when in 2004 I was introduced to Fibonacci, I became fascinated. I had nothing better to do but to take a look on stock markets as a hobby at that time. But when in 2008 markets were crashing, I questioned power of the news and fundamentals as stocks with spectacular fundamentals were collapsing completely. By the end of 2008, I developed first strategy that remains core of the system that's traded on Wall Street and more than 50 countries. Since I developed more than 30 strategies, 12 sets of software, and I continue developing those. 2011, I founded Fibonacci Trading Institute, Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel, and our podcast channel. You can view videos and listen to students and graduates in US and globally. Since 2011, I mentor traders from beginner to hedge fund trader, from small to institutional size account. I present at hedge fund events. I write, I speak, and I invest using proprietary methods. I travel the world meeting with students and graduates, and when they invite me to their weddings, when they invite me to meet their families, it's an honor. This is the biggest reason I love what I do, as students become my friends for life. Using Alpha Fibonacci Trading System as a complete semi-automated system with multi-market scanner and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci software. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System consists only of two components: indicator-free price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. Nothing else is needed ever on any instrument. So here's a proprietary system in today's markets on Dow Future. We discussed with students days in advance that this would be a major problem. The end of the minor trend proprietary decision point 1. In order for trend to become major, trend needs to break through this level. So if you choose to buy the market, you're buying as low as possible. You're understanding the danger of this resistance that on Tuesday became critical support, as you will see the importance and power of this level on multiple instruments in this webinar. So right now I would convert this chart to 5-minute chart. Take a look what played out. This was ultimate point to buy from this level on any chart you choose to trade. If I convert this chart to 3 to 15-minute chart, identical, crucial, critical support would remain. And what do you see had been playing out in the markets in the last few days? Bullish rally overextended. This is where market becomes brutal, but if price is not crashing through this support, you do not want to short this market. And if I take you back to 15-minute chart, this is the power of this system. This is what Alpha Fibonacci trader knows days in advance. Where to buy, where to expect support, where to expect the exhaustion of the trend. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. And if I take you to the event of the month of March, historical formation. This is institutional chart. That's the core of the system. Dow now up more than 8,000 points from ultimate institutional support. But this is Dow before reversal. This is sell-off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Dow crashing. Months in advance we know very, very clearly. 19,000 to follow. Intelligent trader understands the importance of this level. Critical decision point 2. And this is exactly what Dow does. Crashes until this level. So if you're trading options, if you're holding positions long term, if you're investing, you're utilizing these charts. You're utilizing these crucial long-term levels. And when Dow finally reaches critical support, no one should be surprised that on Black Thursday, March 23rd, Dow starts rallying from this level. No one shorting near this level. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader monitors for long. And that's exactly what played out on day trading chart as intelligent trader trades with institutions, turning off negative news, taking advantage of ultimate support. Here is March 11th. Have you heard on the news Dow rallying for thousands of points? Of course not. News designed against trader. Mid-March, crucial support is present. Buyers struggling to break through, Dow keeps rallying for 1,000 points plus. What do we know in advance? This level to follow, this level is next. on institutional charts weeks and months in advance, on day trading charts hours, days in advance. And that's exactly what plays out from ultimate support, where Dow rallying from. You did not hear rallies starting on Black Thursday. This is what was playing out post-hold, as institutional support was clearly in a play, with bullish trend inception from proprietary Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, where intelligent day trader buying the bottom with institutional trends. This is Dow today. 8,500 points later, heading higher. Markets are painful. March 23rd was a dream. Last week in March was spectacular. First week in April, breathtaking, bright pink line, critical support. Here comes May, stunning. This is pain. Bullish rally overextended on institutional chart. There is no institutional support levels, is there? 80% of the time market in a lot of pain. Intelligent trader understands that. But if I bring up to your attention Alpha Fibonacci software, you would understand. Software identifies everything in advance, showing you crucial buy and sell levels on any chart you choose to trade. And if you understand institutional trends, you are in excellent shape. You're monitoring to buy at support, and you're monitoring to sell at resistance. And if you're trading with institutions, you're looking to buy as low as possible, because institutional orders firmly long. Institutions keep buying every pullback, but it makes a world of difference if you entered market here, 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 or entering here. Much more pain ahead. Most dangerous markets are institutional overextended rallies. This is what intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader uses as a key institutional trend chart prior to placing trade on 1, 2, 3, 5 hourly, daily, monthly charts. That's it. Nothing else needed ever on all instruments. And that's how software give you a signal with precise entry, precise stop, precise target. All you have to do, buy and sell with institutional trends, choosing your ultimate trade. No speculation here. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System utilizes the only natural sequence that forms all markets. It is predictive, precise synchronicity of natural Fibonacci symmetry. Fibonacci has nothing in common with indicators. Never confuse the two. If I bring up to your attention exact same chart, what would you see? Fibonacci found under drawing tool. But how to use Fibonacci retracement? You absolutely must obey the rules. No speculation here. None are present. And that's the power of the system. Pure price for entry and predictive, precise synchronicity of Fibonacci symmetry for exits. So this is a week in Alpha Fibonacci room where traders share what they trade and how. Ken started the week with 27 for 27 trades on Bitcoin. Brad reported 100% this month so far. This is last week in May. as reporting and stating 13 for 13 trades, maximum trading 30 minutes per day. That's a couple of hours per week. That's it. Ken keeps updating 32 for 32 trades. Gene keeps updating his option trades. Every trader is different. Jennifer trading gold, S&P, and that's only a couple of hours in a couple of days with traders who utilizing pure price and institutional Fibonacci trends on every trade, no matter what account, no matter what instrument they trade. And this is how students price course and software. As Jennifer states, you make it possible. This is a dream. As Jennifer states, the best money I've ever spent. And Jay, it's $10 for Rolls-Royce. Ken sharing, you learn to fish for life. This is typical, standard feedback from graduate of the course who is serious about trading. Because trading with institutional trends, trading with Fibonacci precision, using indicator-free price, creates confidence and power in intelligent human being who is serious about trading. That's it. Strategic precise institutional trend system removes speculation and allows trader to play markets as strategic alpha Fibonacci chess. Jeff 76 finished course about 2 years ago. He dropped by the room and reported Costco 85%, Apple 40, Microsoft 102. 120. As he says, he's spending all his time skiing despite being 76, spending maximum, absolute maximum 2 hours in front of the screen. This is recent update from Jeff. He did not get in trouble using this Alpha Fibonacci system. Do you remember how powerful bright pink line is? It's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support. This is exact same place where Apple skyrocketed from, despite worst earnings in 2016. First time in 13 years, Apple comes out with the worst earnings. But as I presented HFA convention, I state as long as this support is respected, Apple will continue its rally. That's exactly what played out. Apple doubled in value. After earnings, Apple heading higher until next level. Few months later, Apple heading higher. What do you see at the bottom, 140 level? Did Apple crash? Of course, it's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. That's where every instrument reverses 80+% of the time. Intelligent trader looks to buy the bottom, and that's exactly what played out. 140 was a stunning reversal point. And when Apple comes to reversal zone, it sells off again. This is Apple now, traders. What to do with your position on Apple requires Alpha Fibonacci knowledge. Apple stepped in with vengeance from bright pink line, once again critical support, doing exact same thing as Apple have done for years before, despite worst earnings. And that's the power of the system. It doesn't matter if you trade 5-minute S&P or Apple weekly. It's your choice. And if you would like to trade them all, of course, absolutely, you can do that. Not a problem. Choice is yours. With Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, trader can trade any instrument from 1, 5, 15-minute S&P and Q, Dow Futures, 60-minute Bitcoin, Euro, Pound, Apple, Amazon, Gold. Let's review more examples. Here's short on gold with Alpha Fibonacci system, ultimate precision, ultimate entry, stop and targets. As long as you're trading with institutional trends, buying from support and selling from resistance. There is no speculation here. All precise, all absolutely crucial entry critical targets with precise entry stop targets in advance, institutional trend inception, trend reversals in advance, on day trading charts, minutes, hours in advance, on long-term charts, days, weeks, and months in advance. Let's review more examples. Here's pound. This chart been present in the trading room since 2011. Pound crashed from 2100, reaching very famous end of minor trend proprietary decision point 1. Pound sitting at this support for the next 7 years. What do you see ahead on pound? 124 with 106. What do you see below 106? 89 cents. Correct? Unlike Apple, unlike Dow, pound crashed through this level. After 7 years of respecting this level, reaching Alpha Fibonacci support. Has anyone heard good news in Britain? So why in the world is pound rallying? Do you know? Why is the world pound stages the most spectacular rally in 2017 and does again despite COVID recently? Because it's crucial support from monthly. We knew this years in advance. And that's the power of the system. This is critical, crucial support on pound. This level is out pound in free fall. This is a reason for rally on pound recently, despite coronavirus, as pound reached ultimate low, skyrocketing from 115 to 125. No one would ever short into Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is identical reversal on pound as you saw on Apple from 140. So day trading not your cup of tea. Utilize everything for your long-term positions. But if I take you to day trading and I take you to S&P on this historical week, this is exact same thing that played out. In the mid of March, S&P had taken a massive pause. March 8th, one of the worst days ever post-hold, S&P is rallying. This continued for days. Have you heard rally on S&P for 180 points? No. But this is crucial end of minor trend. This is critical support. Exact same place where Apple rallied from, where S&P been rallying from for days. And when it reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, that's where S&P skyrocketed from. 2200 traders. Ultimate bottom, ultimate support, ultimate rally. No one heard this on the news in March. Strategic trader knew this days, weeks in advance. No matter if it's pound, if it's Apple, if it's S&P, if it's gold, if it's Bitcoin, choice is yours. This is trade on Dow with precise entry stops and targets. No speculation here. Bright green line identifies critical support. Place to buy from, not to short into. And if you're trading with institutional volume on Dow, you understand that critical, crucial to buy the pullbacks, not to touch any shorts in this market on Dow, as played out since March 23rd. So when traders trade at institutional support, trading day can last less than few minutes. This is one of the recent mornings. 2 minutes after market open, LES is down 26 points, RUP 15, BRED 3 on S&P, Emmanuel 30, GIN 20. This is how powerful to utilize institutional trends, institutional power, which is a core of Alpha Fibonacci system, no matter what you will decide to trade. Trading with institutions is a core of the method, as you saw on multiple examples. Trading without is not an option. This is the most important part of successful, consistent trading. A system gives you opportunity to identify institutional trend inception and institutional trend reversals in advance as key points of entries on any instrument you will choose. And that's the power of the system. Let's review even more examples. So here's Amazon since 2018. 2018 Amazon stock mid-trend. 2018 Amazon reporting spectacular earnings. What do you see ahead on Amazon? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, correct? There is no bad earnings on Amazon, so how is it possible that Amazon crashes when it reaches reversal zone? $700 per share plus. So would you sleep better at night? Would you be more profitable trader, more profitable investor, more profitable hedge fund manager if you knew this? This is exact same thing that Amazon does following year. Skyrocketing from bottom until Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone again, selling off again, this time around more than $300 per share. And when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone again, 2020. You knew this years in advance. You knew this since 2017 as an investor. This is the reason system traded on Wall Street. This is the reason hedge fund managers in the course now. Day trading not for you. Trade like Jeff. Less than 2 hours per week. Buying the bottom, exiting at top. This is Amazon now. Amazon been stalling for the last 6 weeks. It's overextended. Reversal zone now 2600 level. Amazon in brutal pain. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader is not concerned, sleeping well at night, knows what to do with position. And that's the power of the system. All in advance, never after the fact. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System solves these problems in day and position trading. Identifies an advanced institutional trend, inceptions, reversal, and very important point, shows clearly institutional trading ranges independent of panic, independent of news, independent of earnings. Has anyone expected the market to crash because of the craziness that's happening on the streets of New York, DC, and other major cities. So how is it possible, since this event Dow is up few thousand more points, that Dow is not crushing? There is no good news on the streets in US. This was horrific news where rally started from. And this is rally now. Alpha Fibonacci system, much more powerful and precise than any news noise. As you saw on multiple examples, Apple rallied despite worst earnings. Pound rallied despite Brexit, despite COVID. Amazon crashed despite best earnings. And that's the power of the system. Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade. Is it day trading or is it position trading stocks, options, and Forex? Alpha Fibonacci system can be traded on any instrument for day or position trading. It allows you to trade institution stress-free. It defines ultimate entry targets with ultimate precision on any instrument, any time frame. It stops waste of time staring at charts. It's available with software for NinjaTrade or without any software for any platform as well. As all of these traders trade on different platforms, different account size, every day thousands and thousands and thousands of posts for the last 10 years. And that's what David shares, as you can listen to David in podcast. Multiple trades all in one morning. Gold, oil, Dow, all completely from your teaching. Jerry, Rob, Dow, Gold, S&P. Every trader, different instrument, different account size. If these traders can do it, so can you. Doesn't matter if you trade 500, 5,000, 500,000 or 5 million, $5 billion account. That's a community of traders in US and throughout the world. No one's business how small or how big size account you trade. It is absolutely your choice. That's it. Nothing more to the story. If these traders can do it, so can you. Many of them been trying for the last 20 plus years. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System software package for NinjaTrader 8 comes with Alpha Fibonacci tool, multi-market scanner, and multiple time frames for Alpha Fibonacci software. It can be standard or customizable. It identifies key areas of support and resistance and comes with scanner, templates, trade tool, pivot finder, no gap range bars. So this is what scanner look like, traders. This is scanner in front of you now. This. With a single click, you can add or remove any instrument you choose. Done. And if you say, I don't want to trade any of this, with a single click, you right click and remove. That's it. Very simple, very user friendly. When I work with complete beginner traders, it takes only one session, and software developer is a graduate of the course. Pat will hold your hand. He's an incredible human. It's my joy and pleasure working with Pat everyone adores him. He will do screen sharing session with you. He will show you how to use software. And if you and I work in private mentoring, as I did this afternoon with student in London, I work with you via screen sharing. I will set up software and charts for you. And if you understand institutional trends, and if you understand institutional power, that's it. You are on your way to success. So this is the power of the trade and software as you see in front of you. Algorithmic trade recognition with precise entry, stop and targets with email and phone alert options. Another example of the trade on oil future with precise entry, stop and target. Another example on oil institutional chart where oil was at ultimate bottom in 2016. Do you remember this? This is what oil done. Skyrocketing from ultimate bottom. As intelligent trader knows, when price reaches institutional reversal zone, look to buy the bottom. 2 years later, oil more than doubles in value. What do you see ahead? Do you see Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone at 77? Of course, oil reverses. There is no surprise. And if you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, it's spelled out that oil in free fall. And when oil in free fall, this is what oil does, reaching absolutely critical reversal zone. Negative 32. So one student in Saudi Arabia trading this, so can you. Stunning rally on oil. From ultimate bottom again, as oil have done 6 years ago. And that's the reason system traded on Wall Street and by hedge fund managers, not just retail traders. And if you utilize in institutional volume, institutional trend inception, you are trading pain-free with ultimate success. As these traders do, taking this critical step, getting a mentor, utilizing institutional trend system. Endless posts of gratitude from traders who make an effort. So if you come to the website, it's very easy to find the information. It's all on homepage. Everything on our homepage. You can hear from students you just saw in this webinar. You see the information right on homepage in front of you. It explains it all. You can listen to podcasts from traders all over the world. And if you want to listen to all of them, click on this link. And if you want to see the previous webinar, please do. And if you want to see thousands of videos, enjoy 3,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, why not? And if you want to see how students price the course and what they say, video below. We have an open forum. And if the trader says it's a deal, it's like spending $10 on Rolls-Royce, I wish I found you years ago. This is an honor. These are traders who are serious about trading. Taking one of these courses with lifetime license of software, with live group classes, with video library, with modules, with live guided trading. 3 months with or without software. Private mentoring 6 months includes group course, includes video library. More details if you click on link below. More podcasts above. More stories from students above. All can be found on homepage. Currently, we're offering the biggest discount ever. We never offered this before. $2,000 off each package due to current crisis. And if you would take advantage, and if you are serious about trading with institutions, you will be doing the podcast waiting list of traders to share their journeys, to share their stories. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. Trading any markets with consistency, confidence, precision, clarity. Multi-market scanners, trade recognition software. So if you would like to listen to our podcast channel, please do. If you would like to do videos, of course. And if you would like to read what our students say on Facebook, enjoy. So this is the email I received a couple of days ago from Sanjeev, who reports 100% success rate in the month of May. And what is so powerful, as you will receive it in today's newsletter, what does he say? When I don't feel mentally ready to trade, I do not trade. Mindset is core of Alpha Fibonacci method. Jennifer, this is what means the world. During the worst times in US, Jennifer shares, this is a blessing to be able to do an extra income from home with less social exposure. Means the world. Pablo, complete beginner traders. He speaks in the room. He never pushed button on his computer. He started trading less than 2 years ago. Now Pablo is with step trader. Brad is a legend in the course. He tried for 20 years. He was making $9 an hour in Best Buy. He took his 25K account well above 100K, well above 200K, well above 300K as of right now. As he updates us daily in the course, this is his performance a year ago, after 20 years of trying. And this is the emails that keep coming non-stop, with students winning Forex competition. Choice is yours. You decide what you want to trade, as Bill shares, retired attorney in Florida. This is the best investment that I have ever made in a very long time. Trading gold, E-mini futures, and occasionally Forex. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. So if you spend 100,000 as Jerry have done on the previous course, there is no surprise, nothing in common between proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system, indicator-free trading with institutional trend system versus anything else. Power, precision, and simplicity is what traders share for the last 10 years. As Steve said in his email, my 12-year search for consistent trading profitability is over. If these traders can do it, so can you. You decide what you want to trade. Is it 12-week live group mentoring for Ninja 8? Regular price $59.77 with current discount only $39.77. Lifetime license of software, live classes, video library, live guided trading room, 7 modules available 24/7. but you would like to do it all, 6 months private mentoring available. I hold your hand in the process, and you have access to all group classes. I can barely squeeze in only one more person. I'm way overbooked, traders. So if you have any questions for me, please review the information on the website and do not hesitate to call or contact me. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. Listen and view. Any questions? Pick up the phone and call. Click on Contact Us section 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.